All right. No wake, Patrick. No wake. Woo, look at this. Possum Kingdom Lake. This is the Hell's Gate Party Cove area. But it's actually not too crowded. Woo. The kids are out the front there. Rachel. There's still girls passed out.
Hey, y'all know that house we were going to
She's a party animal at night. She stays up till 11, 11:30. Anyway, we're all tired today, but we're ready to enjoy a day on the water. It's hot. Ugh. Saturday. I don't even know what day it is. Woo! Nice flip, nice flip. What you got for us, Brooks? Woo! Cannonball. Kind of. Bevan, come over this way, baby. It is so hot. Go, Bonnie, go! Go, Bonnie, go! Go swimming! Oh, I see it.
See that bobsleigh, guys? Right there. See that bobsleigh?
Okay, I know. I'm just showing that this little girl, we had like a 30-minute boat ride back. Ooh, something about to get in trouble. Bum, bum. Sweet girl.
It lives right here. Just told y'all too. There was sticks and stuff over there.
Sophie, stop running.
She can't help it, babe. She can't stop moving. You give her a little nudge and she's going to move. See? Whoa, whoa, it's about to be a collision. Good job balancing, Sophie. Good job.
Just don't hit her in the head.
Yeah, don't whack her in the head.
Hey, don't go too far. Stay over this way.
Watch Bevan. We do a lot of paddle boarding in the neighborhood, so he's gotten used to that, but he went and had to save him. Perfect. Brought him to shore. All right. Well, we need a bigger one. That's too little for me. I'll get on it with you, but we need a big one. We'll get the other one. Meet me over there. Bring that one back to the sand, and I'll get on the other blue one. You see a bug, Bash?
Lindsay's still going. She needs to go inside and cool off. But whatever, I guess. It's crazy. Bonnie's awake though, enjoying life. Lindsay flipped the boat. Good job, Bonnie. Good job.
Yay!
Yes, on her head.
What?
I guess you're about to find out, aren't you?
I think it said 200 pounds. Yeah.
I mean, I saw Patrick get on it, but I mean,
He weighs like 230 or 40, 230 something.
Oh goodness, it's 6:15. We've been in the kitchen cooking all afternoon or after evening. Hey, hey! Oh, look at her ears! Look at her ears! Oh, such pretty ears! Look at that. Okay. She's got a Hello Kitty headband that is made from a 3D printer that Hira brought. So she loves it. We're about ready for our Mexican dinner. We're doing like carne asada tacos and queso and salsa and all the fixings. Right now, Rachel and Patrick have left with the boat because they're trying to refuel and get us some more gas. But right now, Grandpa is out here fishing again. And he had some luck last night. He caught 2 really big carp fish. So the kids are hanging out, fishing with Grandpa.
When I found it, it was like that.
Oh no.
I found it over there and then it was like that.
That's a mess.
It's okay, fix it.
That's a Grandpa fix, not me. I don't know anything about that. Any luck? Nibbles, huh?
Heads up.
Heads up. Ah! Look at that cast. It flew off.
All right, here it goes.
You got this! You got this!
That was really good. Really good. First try. Day 2. First try.
Out. Okay, let me know you're ready. All right, here it goes.
You got this!
Go, Dad! Woo! 63 years old! Woo! Grandpa! Woo, woo, woo! So proud of him. I think Beckham's gonna try to serve too here in a little bit. We're gonna see. Second try. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Have a QR code here. Ready. Go.
Yep, it wasn't on there.
All right, go. Okay, ready? Black out. All right, go.
Hey! Good job. How do you feel?
Good.
All right. What do you need to tell everybody?
Subscribe! Subscribe and like our channel. And share. And share.
Okay, Nora's turn. Whoa! Let's go, Nora.
You got it, baby. Okay. All right, go. All right, she's ready.
Good try, Nora.
Here we go.
And Rachel's turn. Get it, girl. That's my sister. Woo! Yeah, girl. Yeah, get it, girl. Get it. Woo! Woo! One hand. All right, all right. Woo!
roll.
He said he has to one-up you, Rachel. He has to one-up you.
Climb it down.
Oh my goodness. Please be careful. Please be careful, Patrick.
Hey, go 11-1.
No rope. This guy's crazy. Oh gosh, so close. Woo! This is getting very serious.
Go here. Here you go.
Ooh. All right. These are the champions for the Uno Championship for the family reunion. First and second place for each group into the finals. This is very, very serious. Oh, back to bash, back to bash. Oh no, oh no.
Beckham, change the color, please.
I don't know what color.
Oh! He just can't be beat. He just can't be beat. Uncle Patrick can't be beat. Woo, woo. Oh, hey, gang. Y'all want second place? Y'all want second place? Second place?
Y'all play for first loser.
First loser.
So, you're really close to like then we can just fight. You can't drop it. Does that make sense?
Oh, you're so sweet. Who's winning over here, guys? Are you winning, Brooks? No. But Dad's teaching you? Are you ready for me to kick your butt? Yeah, I guess. We'll see. Connect 4. I'm going to beat you. But look at these two. Daddy's dancing with Bonnie.
I saved you. You didn't save me.
All right. Hey, guys, you got to get ready for bed. It's time.
None of them are faithful. None of them are your friends.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Our weekend has come to a close. We got to get in bed. Toodles.